What if I told you that the key to looking great, feeling amazing, and even thinking sharper is something you already have? Yep, I'm talking about your muscles. And no, this isn't just about looking ripped at the gym. Your muscles play a huge role in your health, metabolism, posture, and even your mood. So in this video, we're breaking down exactly why your muscles are way more important than you think. And by the end, you'll be convinced to give them a little more love. Let's get started. All right, first up, muscles are literally the engine of your body. Every single thing you do, walking, running, even just blinking, happens because of muscles. Right now, your body has over 600 muscles working together to keep you moving. And here's the cool part. Your muscles don't just move you, they also stabilize and protect your joints, so you don't end up hurting yourself every time you take a step. Think of your muscles like the suspension system of a car. If they're strong and balanced, your body moves smoothly. But if they're weak, well, let's just say you don't want your suspension system breaking down mid-movement. Okay, here's a muscle fact that might blow your mind. Muscles burn calories even when you're not doing anything. That's right. Unlike fat, which just sits there, muscle is like a calorie-burning machine. The more muscle you have, the more energy your body uses, even while you're watching Netflix on the couch. So if you've ever wondered why some people seem to eat a lot but stay lean, well, chances are they have more muscle helping them burn through those calories. Building muscle isn't just about getting stronger. It's one of the best ways to boost your metabolism and keep your body burning more energy all day long. Did you know that having strong muscles actually protects your bones? Every time you do strength training, whether it's lifting weights or doing body weight exercises, your muscles pull on your bones, and that triggers bone growth. Basically, your muscles and bones are best friends. The stronger your muscles, the stronger your bones stay. And that means fewer injuries, better balance, and staying active for years to come. Ever sit at your desk for hours and suddenly feel like a human question mark? Yeah, weak muscles might be to blame. Your core, back, and neck muscles hold you up all day. If they're not strong enough, you start slouching, leading to pain, stiffness, and let's be honest, not the best look. The fix? Strengthen those muscles. A strong core and back help you stand taller, look more confident, and avoid that annoying back pain that comes from bad posture. All right, this one's a game changer. Did you know that working out your muscles actually makes you happier? When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that reduce stress and boost your mood. It's like a natural antidepressant, but without the side effects. Ever feel that high after a workout? That's your muscles literally making you feel amazing. So next time you're feeling stressed or low, try hitting a workout instead of hitting the couch. Here's the deal. As we age, we lose muscle mass unless we actively work to keep it. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it's why some people struggle with weakness and balance as they get older. But guess what? You can fight it by staying active and keeping your muscles engaged. Strength training keeps you strong, mobile, and independent, so you can keep doing the things you love, no matter your age. So how do you build and maintain muscle? It's all about three things. 1. Strength training. Lift weights, use resistance bands, or even do bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups. 2. Nutrition. Eat enough protein to fuel muscle repair and growth. Think eggs, paneer, whey protein, and Greek yogurt. 3. Rest and recovery. Muscles grow when you rest, not when you're training, so sleep well and don't overtrain. Follow these steps consistently, and trust me, your muscles will thank you. All right, so we've covered a lot, from movement to metabolism, posture to mental health. Hopefully now you see why muscles are way more than just gym gains. They're essential for living your best, healthiest life. So let's make a deal. Drop a flexed biceps emoji in the comments if you're gonna start giving your muscles the attention they deserve. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.